Here at Madison Verona, we manufacture highly potent active pharmaceutical ingredients.
What gets me out of bed and what makes me really passionate about what we do here is that end user, our patients.
The thing we could be working on today might be helping somebody you know. Knowing that makes you kind of work with a sense of urgency and a sense of passion.
Safety is extremely important for making HPAPIs due to the high level of toxicity that's associated with those products. Having that highly trained expert staff is crucial from our point all the way down to the patient.
Being a pharmaceutical materials manufacturing site, we need to be in full compliance of GMP. So training is not just a nice to have or good to have, it's a requirement.
Oftentimes in the past, we would utilize lab spaces that were open.
It was difficult to obtain the right space, the equipment, etc. was all being used for processing. And so to obtain those things got in the way of learning.
The team got together and said, we need something new. How do we create or find a space where we can have the time to, one, get familiar with the equipment, with the documentation, which is a big part of it, and then ultimately go through our training process.
We had a space that we were able to remodel, and with that remodeled space we were able to include a lot more equipment. We brought in an isolator, we brought in a reactor, we brought in a hood, and that allows people to get that hands-on that's really critical.
When our folks go through our training program, there shouldn't be a piece of equipment that they're working on that they haven't trained on.
Providing that training center for our operators to be able to safely and effectively practice our techniques in a controlled environment really helps them in their confidence as they move into GMP lab spaces to actually execute in high potent states.
I think the training center really sets us apart, and that they have the chance to go through a mock version of what they're going to see in real life and be corrected on the spot. They have a team to help address any comments or concerns that they have when they go through it.
The individuals that leave training now are much more well prepared for the daily actions that they're about to see because we're able to do it all in one place.
The training department has significantly decreased deviations, which improves our safety and quality of our products to produce a better product for our clients and patients.
It gives me hope that we're constantly looking for options for people to extend their life and to improve their lifestyle while they're working through these challenges.
For me, anything that I do, any decision that I made is making impact to patient downstream. This has been keeping me, active, motivated throughout my 17 plus years in the industry. Every day I find it a day that I'm really looking forward to because I know what I do make a difference downstream.